Have you ever stared in the mirror and noticed those stubborn dark spots on your face or hands and wondered, why do they appear and how can I get rid of them? You're not alone. Many of us, especially as we age, start seeing these little patches of discoloration, commonly called age spots or liver spots, pop up no matter how careful we are with creams or sunscreen. And here's the shocking part. The expensive creams you've been buying for months might not even be giving you real results. But what if I told you that some of the most effective solutions are sitting in your kitchen right now, in the simplest, most affordable foods? Foods that not only help maintain your skin's natural glow, but also naturally support your body to fight the causes behind dark spots. And today, I'm going to reveal 4 such amazing foods that can make a visible difference in how your skin looks and feels. If you stay with me until the very end, I'll also give you a bonus tip that most people completely overlook. Something so simple but incredibly powerful that can boost the effects of these foods. So get ready, because what I'm about to share might completely change the way you think about taking care of your skin. Before we dive into the details, make sure to like this video and subscribe to the channel. Also, let me know in the comments which food you found most effective.
Number 4. Lemon. You might have lemons in your fridge right now, and it's easy to underestimate this tiny, sour fruit. But lemons are much more than just a refreshing addition to water. They're packed with natural compounds that actively help support your skin. Lemon contains vitamin C, also known as ascorbic acid, and citric acid, both of which play a special role in managing melanin, the pigment that gives color to your skin. Melanin is important, of course, but when your skin starts producing too much in certain spots, those stubborn dark patches appear. Lemon helps inhibit the tyrosinase enzyme, which is like a switch for melanin production. Think of it as gently telling your skin, slow down. No need to make extra pigment here. Using lemon is simple, and you can do it safely every day. One method is to mix fresh lemon juice with equal parts water and apply it directly to dark spots for about 15 minutes at night. This gives the skin a gentle, natural support without harsh chemicals. If you prefer, drinking a small amount of diluted lemon juice daily can help your body internally, providing antioxidant support that promotes healthy skin from within. But here's the thing, it's not magic overnight. The results are subtle and steady, building up over days and weeks as your skin naturally maintains its balance. That's why using lemon consistently is so important. It's gentle, affordable, and surprisingly powerful. Even more interesting, lemons do this without irritating your skin like some harsh creams can. By simply adding a little lemon into your routine, you're not just targeting dark spots, you're giving your skin a natural shield that helps protect and maintain its glow. But it's a hidden gem sitting right in your kitchen, ready to support your skin naturally and safely.
Number 3. Aloe vera. You might already know it as that green plant sitting on a windowsill, often used for sunburns. But here's something most people don't realize. Aloe vera is a powerful natural helper for your skin, especially when it comes to dark spots. Aloe vera contains aloesin and aloin, natural compounds that help your skin manage pigment. Think of it like a gentle assistant that tells your skin, hey, let's even out the color here. Instead of harshly bleaching or irritating your skin, aloe vera works slowly and carefully to support the breakdown of existing pigment clusters. That means your dark spots can become less noticeable over time without stressing your skin. Here's the exciting part. It's so easy to use. Just take fresh aloe vera gel from the leaf and apply it directly to the dark patches on your skin. Let it absorb completely. You can do this twice a day, once in the morning and once at night. Imagine your skin slowly soaking in this natural support, quietly repairing itself while you go about your day. It's like giving your skin a calm, daily boost that works in the background. Even better, aloe vera also hydrates your skin deeply, which makes your face feel soft, fresh, and healthy. And here's a little secret many people overlook. Consistent use of aloe vera doesn't just fade dark spots, it also stimulates your skin cells to repair and maintain themselves naturally. Picture this. You're applying the gel every morning, and over the weeks, your dark spots don't disappear overnight, but they gradually blend with the rest of your skin, looking softer, lighter, and more even. And while this is happening, your skin is getting healthier and more resilient every single day. So aloe vera may seem simple, but it's a hidden powerhouse sitting in your home. Just a little gel every day can quietly, naturally, and safely help your skin look more even and radiant.
Number 2. Onion skin. Thin brown layer that most people throw away after peeling onions. But here's the secret. These skins are full of natural power that helps your skin stay healthy and calm. You won't believe how something so simple can do so much. Onion skins are rich in a compound called quercetin. Think of it as a little shield that tells your skin cells, don't overproduce dark pigment here. As we age, our skin sometimes makes too much melanin in small spots, and that's when dark patches appear. Quercetin works gently to support your skin and keep pigment production balanced. Here's the easy way to use it. Take clean, dry onion skins and steep them in hot water for a few minutes. You'll get a strong, natural tea that is full of skin-supporting nutrients. You can use this water as a facial toner, gently patting it on your dark spots. Imagine your skin drinking in this natural support, helping to even out the color over time. If you like, you can also consume it by drinking the tea. Inside your body, it helps neutralize oxidative stress, which is one of the main reasons your skin gets dark spots as you get older. It's like giving your skin a quiet daily boost from the inside out, without any chemicals or harsh treatments. The best part? This is something most people throw away without knowing. But with just a little bit of effort, onion skins become a powerful, natural way to help your skin stay calmer, balanced, and more even in tone. Picture this. Every morning or evening, you gently pat your skin with this onion skin water, and week by week, your dark spots start to soften and blend naturally. Your skin feels calmer, looks brighter, and it's all from a food you already have at home.
Number 1. Red grapes. Now, let's talk about number 1, red grapes. You probably eat them as a snack or put them in a salad, but most people don't know how strong these little fruits are for the skin. Red grapes contain a natural compound called resveratrol, which works like a gentle shield for your skin cells. It helps support healthy skin and protects it from small daily damage caused by sunlight, pollution, or stress, which over time can lead to dark spots and uneven color. Imagine giving your skin a quiet helper every day, protecting it while you go about your life. Resveratrol also helps your skin maintain balance and slow down the visible effects of aging, like uneven tone or age spots. You can use red grapes in simple ways. Mash them with the skin into a paste and apply as a mask for about 20 minutes once a week, or eat them daily to get antioxidants from the inside. Over time, this helps your skin stay calm, healthier, and naturally more even in color. This is gentle support, not harsh chemicals or expensive creams, and it works steadily without stressing your skin. When used together with the other foods we talked about, lemon, aloe vera, and onion skin, it creates a small, natural routine that quietly supports your skin's health every day. Using these foods consistently may slowly make dark spots less noticeable, your skin tone more even, and your face look brighter and healthier. The amazing thing is that these are simple kitchen foods you already have, yet their effect on maintaining healthy skin is strong and natural. And the best part? You don't need expensive products, just these 4 foods and a little patience. This video is for informational and educational purposes only, and is not a substitute for professional medical advice, diagnosis, or treatment. Please keep in mind that health risks and the impact of these habits can vary based on age, overall health, and medical history. What affects someone over 60 may be different for someone younger. Always ask your doctor or qualified health professional about any medical questions.
If you found this helpful, please like this video, subscribe to the channel, and comment below which food you think is the best supportive for your skin: lemon, aloe vera, onion skin, or red grapes.